Hi there, I'm now going to show you how to import user targets. On the home screen, click on Management, Users, and in the Manage Users screen, click on Import User Targets. An Import User Target screen like this will appear. Select the start date and end date to download a template. I'm going to select the dates. Click on Download Template. Need to give it a file name. And this is what a user target template looks like. You can fill out the store number is 1, the name of the store, the user ID number, the name of the user, the days, the date, and the target amount. Close this template. Click on Import User Targets. I'm going to import a file that I have previously completed with targets. A message appears, User Target file was imported successfully. Click OK. And this is what your Import User Targets looks like. Click on Close on the bottom. To review the targets imported, select the user, click on Targets, select the date, click on the drop down and select the store. As you see, the targets have been successfully imported. To edit the targets, click on the target amount and you are able to change the target amount. Click on Load, and as you see, the targets have been updated. Click on Close on the bottom, and that is how you would import a user target. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.